ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं
वीर्यं
करवावहै
तेजस्विना
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹர ஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाबात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീടേന്താത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone to the second class. I know this, I don't know, when you're practicing it, I'm sure you all found it a little bit hard in the beginning. It's always a little hard in the beginning, but not all chapters are also like this, right? I think next chapter we're going to do 12, which is very easy chapter, and also you will get eventually used to it. So I'm not too bothered or concerned that if you are all finding it hard. Okay, so today let's see. So Vaidehi, can you say the 1 to 4?
Yeah, I can. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Bhagavan Mahimanu Varnanam. Bodatmakam Anupamitam Kaladeshavadibhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punaruru Purushartatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattatvad Bhati Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Janana.
Last line, first word, Tattavad Bhati.
Tattavad Bhati Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananam. Evam Durlabhya Vastunyapi Sulabhataya Hastalabdhe Yadanyate Tanva Vachadiya Va Bhajati Bhatajanaha Kshudrataiva Sputeyam Ete Tavattvayam Tu Tiratara Manasa Vishwapīdāpahatyai Nisheshatmanamenam Gurupavanapurādīshamevāśtrayāmaha.
After that eva, there is a pause. Guru Pavanapurādīshameva, and then Ashrayamaha. Yeah.
Okay, I'm noting it down. Tattvam yattat parabhyam aparikalanato nirmalam tena tavat bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapurati bahushaha shruyate va vyasavakyam tatsvachatvad yadachadita parasukachit garbha nirbhasa rupam Tasmin dhanyaramante shrutimati madhure sugrahe vigrahe te nishkampe nityapurne niravadhi paramananda piyusha rupe nirleenaneka muktavali subhagatame nirbala brahma sindhau Kallololasatulyam kalu vimalataram sattva-mahustadatma tasmanno nishkalastvam sakala iti vachaha tatkalasveva bhuman.
Very good. Sudha, can you say the 4?
Krishnaya Namaha. Om Sandranandavabodhatmakam Anupamitam Kaladeshavadibhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punaruru Purushartatmakam Brahmatatvam Tattavad Bhati Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananam.
So that's just one small correction. So the small correction. Second line, right? After Nitya Muktam, there is a pause. Okay, because otherwise you are pausing after Nigama Shata Sahasrena. Otherwise.
Oh, okay.
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 You don't have to repeat it, but just make sure. After Nitya Muktam, there is a pause. Adhe mari in the last line, after Hanta, there is a pause again. Okay, it's like an exclamation mari. So there's a pause. Okay. So make sure. Okay. All right. Keep going. Yeah.
Evam durlabhya vastunyapi sulabhataya hastalabde yadanyat tanva vachadiya va bhajati bhatajanah shrudrataiva sputeyam ete tavadvayam tu stiratara manasa vishwapīdāpahatyai निःशेषात्मानमेनं गुरुपवनपुराधीशमेव आश्रयामः सत्वं यत्तत् पराभ्याम् अपरिकलनतो निर्मलं तेन तावत् भूतैर्भूतेन्द्रियैस्ते वपुरिति बहुशः श्रूयते व्यासवाक्यम् तत्तत् स्वच्छात् यदच्छादित परसुख चिद्गर्भ निर्भासरूपम् तस्मिन् धन्यारमन्ते श्रुतिमति मधुरे सुग्रहे विग्रहे ते.
The third line, tat swachhatvat. Can you say that first portion again?
Tat swachhatvat yadachadita.
Correct.
Parasukha chidgarbha nirbhasa roopam tasmin dhanyaramante shrutimati madhure sugrahe vigrahe te. निष्कंपे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानंद पीयूष रूपे निर्लीनानेक मुक्तावलि शुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिंधौ कल्लो लोलासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्वमागुस्तदात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचः त्वत्कला स्वेव भूमन्.
Very good. So it looks like you're almost ready to remember it by heart, Anamari, you're saying. Good job, all of you. Yeah. Okay, so let's get going with 5. So Sandeep, you can be a student, and Rupa, can you be a student for the first half? Okay. And then when we switch halfway, then Anu, you can be a student, and Prabha, you can be a student. Okay. All right. So stanza 5. Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaja bhajase यत्क्रियामि क्षणाख्यां तेनैवोदेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पाधिकाधे तस्या संशुद्धमंशं कमपि थमतिरोधायकं सत्वरूपं सत्वं धृत्वा दधासि स्वमहिम विभवा कुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपम्. So now here in this first is describing your form, Krishna, which is in Vaikuntham. The form of yours in Vaikuntham is describing that or praying to it. And then also saying, first he starts off by saying you are a Aja. Aja means the one who doesn't have any birth. So the birthless, so one who's not born, one who doesn't die either. And the second thing he says is, you are nirvyaparopi. You are not bound by any activity. So all of us who are here, who are born on this earth, very simply said, are all bound by karma. Otherwise, we wouldn't feel hungry, we wouldn't feel thirsty, we wouldn't feel sleepy, right? We're all bound by karma, and because of which we do activity. So he says, you are not bound by you're not bound by karma, because of which you don't indulge in any activities at all. Plus nishkaranam. Karanam means you have a motive or a reason. Plus you are, because he says you don't do any activities because you don't have any motive, right? You don't have any motive to do any activity. So that is number 1. Second, he says is, however, right, the next portion of it will be little complicated to understand, but don't worry, not everybody, even I don't understand it, I can only know how to explain it, right? And we learn more of it in the 15th chapter when Kapilopakyanam comes. So there's something called as Prakriti, and the definition of Prakriti very simply is that from which things can come. So it is a cause for other things to happen, but nothing else is the cause for this Prakriti. Okay, so think of it that way to begin with. Now, this Prakriti, when it then results in various things. So from that Prakriti comes things like your the Rajoguna, Tamoguna, the Karmendriyam, Jnanendriyam, all the things that we are bound by, all these things start coming, and we'll cover more of it in the 15th Dasakam. So I won't get into the details right now. So because of that, all these other things comes. So that is, remember that one portion. Second is there's something called as a Purusha. So the Purusha is like the Purusha Suktam Purusha, right? So this Purusha is somebody who is, it's like it's a one soul. It's the ultimate, think of it as Brahman, however you want to call it, right? Now this Purusha, the example Bhagavatam also describes is this, when this Purusha then looks at the Prakriti, when the Purusha just looks at it, this Prakriti is like a magnet. It then can go and attract all the attributes around it, right? So now when this Purusha gets attached to the Prakriti, it is a Jivatma, it is us. Because the Paramatma is there in all of us, right? But we are all bound by all these things. So this Purushatma, the Purusha plus all the Prakriti related activities is the Jivatma. The Purusha, the Paramatma does not have any of these attributes. That's a Purusha. So that just remember it that way. But anyway, we'll cover more of that in the 15th, but I won't go here. What is all he's saying is that is what you are. You are that Purusha. And when you, even though you don't have any willingness, even though you don't have any activity, just a mere glance that you do, the entire world comes into creation. So the question then goes is what happens when everything goes away? Then he says when everything goes away at the end of the Brahma Kalpa, when everything goes away at the 100 years of Brahma gets over, it all goes into you. So all of these things still exist, but it is in a latent state, sleeping state inside of you, right? And then when you wake up, right, when the Yoga Maya comes out, when you wake up, all these things start manifesting. So to that Vaikunta, I'm meditating, right? So this is a little bit, we'll go more of this in the 15th Dasakam as well. So we'll cover it then. So nirvyaparopi nishkaranam aja. So nishkaranam aja, if you want to break it. Nishkaranam aja bhajase, and then put a comma there after bhajase. Yakriyam ikshanakyam. If you want to break it, you can break it at that ma. Yakriyam ikshanakyam, or you can say it together. Yakriyam ikshanakyam, comma. Tenai vo deti lina, comma. Prakriti rasati kalpapi kalpadikale. Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaja bhajase yakriyamikshanakyam tenaivo dheti lina prakriti rasati kalpapi kalpadikale.
Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaja bhajase yatkriyameekshanakyam teno.
Go ahead. Somebody was not.
Tenaivo deti lina prakriti rasati kalpapi kalpadikale.
Two times.
Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaja bhajase yatkriyameekshanakyam teno vaudeti lina prakriti rasati kalpapi kalpadikale.
Second line, tenai vodeti lina. Yeah. The second time you said ten or something. Yeah.
Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaja bhajase yatkriyameekshanakyam tenaivo deti lina prakriti rasati kalpapi kalpadikale. Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaja bhajase yatkriyameekshanakyam tenaivo deti lina prakriti rasati kalpapi kalpadikale.
Third line. Tasyaha is there. Put a is to join it. Tasyas samshuddham amsham. Okay. So or you can say it together. Samshuddham amsham, comma. Kamapi thamati rodhayakam sattvarupam. So double it coming there. Sattvarupam. Okay, comma. That satvam dhritva dhadhasi, short c, dhadhasi, comma. Swamahima vibhavakuntha vaikuntha rupam. Tasya samshuddhamamsham kamapi thamadirodhayakam sattvarupam sattvam dhritva dadhasi swamahima vibhavakuntha vaikuntha rupam.
Tasya samshuddhamamsam kamapi tamatirodhayakam sattvarupam sattvam dhritva dadhasi swamahima vibhavakuntha vaikuntha rupam. Tasya samshuddhamamsam कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्त्वरूपं सत्त्वं धृत्वा ददासि स्वमहिम विभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपम्।
तस्याः संशुद्धमंशं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्त्वरूपं सत्त्वं धृत्वा ददासि स्वमहिम विभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपम्। तस्याः संशुद्धमंशं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्त्वरूपं सत्त्वं धृत्वा ददासि स्वमहिम विभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपम्।
Stanza 6. तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधारा धरललितकला यावली केलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृति जनदृशां पूर्णपुण्यावतारं लक्ष्मी निःशङ्कलीला निलयनममृतस्यन्दसन्दोहमन्तः सिञ्चत् सञ्चिन्तकानां वपुरनुकलये मारुताघारनाथ. So here saying, I'm meditating on that form of yours, and then he goes on to describe the form on which he's meditating. First, he starts off with Pratyakra Dhara, means Dhara means flow. Pratyakra Dhara means it's like a rain-bearing cloud, right? So that is something which is constantly described about Krishna. It comes in a lot of places about because of the color and everything also. But here the context of the rain-bearing clouds is hot day, right? Everybody is, it's a hot summer day, if you imagine. And then when you start seeing the rain clouds, then you start feeling happy because it's a prelude to rain coming up and cooling, right? So he's saying your form is like a rain-bearing cloud, not just in a color, but also because looking at you cools all the sorrows, removes all the sorrows that is coming to me, right? It's an indicator of all the sorrows that's going to go away. Second thing is this Kala in this, what do you call Kala Yavali is referring to the blue color flowers. So this also comes in the 100th chapter, right? Where he says, Agre Pashyami Tejo Nibidatara Kala Yavali. So when he's looking, he says, I'm only seeing a blue color hue in front of me, right? That's how Bhattacharya starts the 100th chapter, right? So he's saying, this form is also the blue Kala flowers, Kalaya flowers, blue lily flowers color. That's number 2. Then he says, because of that, he says Lavanya means beautiful. So he says you are embodiment of that beauty. And then he says Sukriti Janadrisham. So for people who have done good fortune, Sukriti Jana, people who are fortunate, right? So for them, you are only visible to those who are fortunate. And even that, he's saying Purna Punya Avataram. So he says, take all the good deeds you have done, all the punyam that you have done. If all of that punyam is taking an avataram and standing in front, that is how you are, right? So even for the fortunate ones, it's as if that they are looking at the punyam that they have done. That's what they are seeing in front of them. And then he says Lakshmi Nishanka Leela, means Lakshmi Devi is residing in your chest, right? So that which is she's happily residing in your chest and all that. And then he goes on in the very end, he says is Amrita Sanda. So think of it as we described, I think last time, between happiness and bliss, right? So one thing, even this thing is, our happiness always abounds, right? So one example I give is growing up when Krishna Janmashtami comes and they used to make the chide, right? I'm sure you all know that. So when they make it, we are all excited, and then kids used to go fight to get that thing. Then later on, then we'll start getting bored. You'll start throwing it up in the air and catching it. And then later on, nobody wants to touch it, right? So we all reach a point where we no longer are happy with it. But he says, you are like your bliss that comes from you, it never stops, right? That's number 1. It's always flowing. And 2, you're never bored of it. It constantly keeps me in bliss. So that form of yours, which actually for all the people who are looking at you, it's like a nectar which is coming, and this nectar constantly keeps everybody blissful, and also is never ending. So there's no limit to the amount of nectar that's coming out. It's always flowing, right? So to that form of you, I'm meditating. So tatte, and this is, although the lines look big, it's easily breakable words here. So tatte pratyagra dhara dhara lalita Kala Yavali Kelikaram. Okay, so that entire line is together, no pause in between, and then a pause at the very end. Kelikaram. Lavan yasyaika saram sukruti janadrisham. And then put a comma. Purna punyavataram. Tatte pratyagradhara dharalalita kala yavali kelikaram. Lavan yasyaikasaram sukruti janadrisham purna punyavataram.
Tatte pratyagradhara dharalalita kalayavali kelikaram lavanyasyaikasaram sukriti janadrisham purna punyavataram. Tatte pratyagradhara dharalalita kalayavali kelikaram lavanyasyaikasaram sukriti janadrisham purna punyavataram.
Rupa, you're on mute, sir.
Sorry. Tatte pratyagradharadhara lalitakala yavali kelikaram lavanyasyaikasaram sukriti janadrisham purna punyavataram. Tatte pratyagradharadhara lalitakala yavali kelikaram lavanyasyaikasaram sukriti janadrisham purna punyavataram.
Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayanam Amrita. If you want to break that word, Nilayanam Amrita Syenda Sandohamantaha. Okay, so even that line is continuous, no pause. We can easily Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayanam Amrita Syenda Sandohamantaha, comma Sinchat Sanchintakanam, and then a comma, Vapuranu Kalaye Maruta Garanatha. Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayanam Amrita Syenda Sandohamantaha Sinchat Sanchintakanam Vapuranu Kalaye Maruta Garanatha.
Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayanam Amrita Tasyanda Sandohamantaha Sanchit Sanchintaka Sinchat Sanchintakanam Vapuranukalaya Maruta Garanatha. Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayanam Amrutasyanda Sandohamantaha Sinchat Sanchintakanam Vapuranukalaya Maruta Garanatha.
Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayana Amritasyanda Sandohamantaha Sinchat Sanchintakanam Vapuranukalaye Maruta Garanatha. Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayana Amritasyanda Sandohamantaha Sinchat Sanchintakanam Vapuranukalaye Maruta Garanatha.
Last, it's not tha. Garanatha. Just
Garanatha.
tha. Okay,
Garanatha.
second tha. That's it. Not tha. Okay. Stanza 7.
Hello.
Answer.
And the second line, in my book, it says Lavanyaikasaram. Lavanyasyaikasaram, it's Lavanyaikasaram.
Lavanyasyaikasaram.
Lavanyasyaikasaram. Okay.
Stanza 7. Kashtate srishti cheshta bahutara bhavakhe jiva bhajam itevam purvamalochitam ajitamaya naiva madhyabhijane noche jivah katham va madurataramidam twadvapuschidra sardhram नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्. So last stanza, he kind of said Aja, right? One who's not born. So here now he comes and says Ajita, one. Jita means who can be won over. You can win over somebody. That's the Jita. Because Jita is to win. Ajita means somebody who cannot be won over. So you are invincible. So he says, oh invincible one. He says Purvam Alochitam. I used to think before, but the part says that Srishti Chesta, all this creation that you have done is custom. It's very cruel. I used to think that this creation of yours is cruel because everybody has sorrows, everybody goes through pain, right? If you're born in this world, you're all bound, everybody goes through. So Bhattacharya, I used to think this birth itself is very cruel when I don't know why you created, everybody is going through all this pain. However, because of all the sorrows it brings, right? However, now he says, I don't think that way, because unless you are born as a human and unless you are born in this world, he says, how else can I enjoy the Parama Rasa Sudam, the supreme bliss that I get by looking at you and by enjoying you? I will not have an opportunity to get that. So the only way I can get that is to be born. So now I don't think it's cruel anymore, because now I'm realizing that my purpose is to enjoy the bliss that actually comes out of you. How? Netraihi and Shrotrai. So not just by looking at you, but also by hearing about you, right? So by Pitwa, so like you say, I am able to get myself immersed by drinking all the things that I'm hearing about you and I'm seeing about you, and that Tvad Vapuhu, and by looking at your form. So that is what is giving me immense happiness. So now I don't think that this creation of yours is cruel anymore. So Kashta te Srishti Cheshta, comma, Bahutara Bhava Khedavaha Jiva Bhajam. So put a im at the end of that line, Jiva Bhajam, and put a comma. So next line, when you have Mityevam, so remove that ma, it becomes Ityevam. So Ityevam Purvam Alochitam Ajita. So that word you can break it into three for ease if you want it. Purvam Alochitam Ajita Maya, and then comma. Naivam Adhyabhijane. You can say that together. Naivam Adhyabhijane. Kashtate Srishti Cheshta Bahutara Bhavakhe Dhavaha Jiva Bhajam Ityevam Purvamalo Chitamajitamaya Naivam Adhyabhijane.
Kashtate Srishti Cheshta Bahutara Bhava Khedavah Jiva Bhajam Ityevam Purvamalochitamajittamaya Naivam Adhyabhijane. Kashtate Srishti Cheshta Bahutara Bhava Khedavah Jiva Bhajam Ityevam Purvamalochitamajittamaya Naivam Adhyabhijane.
Kashtate Srishti Cheshta Bhautar Bhavake Davaha Jiva Bhajam Ityevam Purvamalo Jitamajitamaya Naiva Madhyabhijane. Kashtate Srishti Cheshta Bahutara Bhavake Davaha Jiva Bhajam Ityevam Purvamalo Jitamaya Naiva Madhyabhijane.
No change jivaha is there. Put a ih sound in between. No che jivah katham va, and then put a comma. Madhura taram idam Tvad vapush chidra sardram. Tvad vapush chidra sardram, comma. Netraihi is there, put a ish sound. Netraish shrotraischa pitva, comma. Parama rasa Sudham Bodhipure. Actually, Sudham Bodhipure is together. Sudham Bodhipure Rameran. No che jivah katham va मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चिद्रसार्द्रं नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्
नो चेज्जीवा कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं तद्वपुश्चित्रसार्द्रं नेत्रैश्श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्.
only the third line, that last word, twadvapush chidrasardram. Twad, not tad. I think you said tad. I heard. Twad.
Okay. नो चेज्जीवा कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चित्रसार्द्रं नो चेज्जीवा कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चित्रसार्द्रं नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्. परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्.
नो चेजीवा कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चार्धसार्धं नेत्रैश्चोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्.
So on the and the after katham va there is a comma, okay, not after madhuratharamidam. After katham va there is a comma, okay. And then twadvapush chidra sardram.
Twadvapush chidra sardram.
Yeah, correct.
Twadvapush chidra sardram. No chejiva katham va madhurataramidam twadvapush chidra sardham नेत्रैस्तोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधपूरे रमेरन्. बोधिपूरे रमेरन्.
Yeah, and then the last line, netrai shrotrai, shra, shr, shrotraischa. Not stotram. Stotram is stotram. Shro. The stotram is in English str, stotram, sto, stotram, right? This is shro, shro.
Shrotram, okay.
Shrotraischa. Yeah, that's what it's not stotram, it's shrotraischa pitva. Okay.
Shrotraischa.
Okay, stanza 8. So this stanza 8 is what we say in the Dhyana slogam, right? I told you it's
Noche jiva அந்த ha அந்த விசர்கா pronounce பண்ணுங்க.
இல்ல விசர்காக்கு பதிலா we are putting that inserting the letter ich sound. Okay, so அந்த விசர்கா வந்து generally என்னதுனாக்கா if you are stopping somewhere in the middle of the line, like we put a comma, then we say the visarga at that point, or if it comes at the end. If it is coming in the middle of our chanting, then we don't say the visarga, we put a joining letter. Unless the only exception is the next letter is a ksha, then you have to say the visarga mandatory. Otherwise, you put the joining letter. Like we put is, right? Like we say netraish, shrotrai, we put a ish there in that point, right? Like that.
Thank you.
Answer 8. Namranham sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartitanapi artan kamanajasram vitarati Paramananda Sandram Gatim Cha Itham Nisheshalabhyo Niravadika Phalaha Parijato Hare Tvam Kshudram Tam Shakravati Dhrumam Abhilashati Vyartamarte Vrajohyam. So here Bhattripad is comparing the Lord to Kalpa Vriksha, which is one of the celestial trees in Indra's garden, which gives you whatever you want, right? So he's saying the challenge with Kalpa Vriksha is none of us have access to the Kalpa Vriksha right now, right? So if you have to go to the heaven, or you have to be in Indra, you have to do a lot of things to even first go there. So first of all, none of us have access to it. The second problem with the Kalpa Vriksha, he says, is it only gives what you ask for. So if you go ask for one item, it's going to give you that one item. But he says the advantage with you is, he says, One, you're easily accessible. You don't have to do, at least like to get to the heaven, you don't have to do all these penance and everything. You are easily accessible. I can access you today. You not only give what we ask for, you give way more than what we ask for. And more importantly, three, what you actually give is you give that ultimate parapurushartham, which is the moksham, which Kalpavriksha tree cannot give. You're the only one who can give moksham. So when you have all these three advantages over Kalpavriksha tree, he says, I still don't understand why all the people still go after a Kalpavriksha tree, right? Because the reason he says they do this because they don't understand the difference between you and Kalpavriksha tree. So because of which he is doing, so he's saying Parijato Haretvam. He's saying you are like the Parijata tree, the highest. You give way more than the Kalpavriksha, and then you also give moksham. So he says that's why people should go after you and not go after the Kalpavriksha tree. So itam alochitam ajitamaya. So he said, I'm really looking and I'm surprised about why this is happening. So namranam sannidhatte, comma, satatamapi purastair anabhyarti. So you can, if you want to break at that ra, if you want to, you can break it. Purastair anabhyarti. Anabhyarti tanapi. So put a p at the end of that line and a comma. Short p. So anabhyarti tanapi, comma. Next line, when you have pyartan, pya and pyartan, you change, remove that pya and replace it with the a. Artan. So for those who understand Sanskrit, it's a simple sandhi rule. P plus a is pya, right? So that's why it is kind of going there. So abhyarti tanapi, you put at the end of that line. Next line is artan kamana jasram vitarati, comma, paramananda sandram gatim cha. Namranham sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartitanapi artan kamana jasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha.
Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastainarabhyartitanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatincha.
Sandeep, that first line, purastair anabhyartitanapi. Anabhyartitanapi.
Punastairanabhyartitanapi.
Correct, yeah.
Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartitanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatincha. Did I break the second line?
Yeah, I think I was going to tell after the kamana jasram vitarati. So you don't have to pause after that jasram.
Arthan kamana jasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatincha.
Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastair abhyartitanapi.
Purastair anabhyartitanapi.
Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastair anabhyartitanapi arthanam kamajastram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha.
For the second line, arthan kamana jasram vitarati. So and the three words are together, right? Arthan kamana jasram vitarati.
Arthan kamana jasram vitarati. Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastair anabhyartitanapi arthanam kamajastram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha.
Second line you're saying arthanam, I'm hearing is arthan, just in. It's like attan in Tamil, attan mari arthan, right? Just arthan kamana jasram. Line 3. Itham nishesha labhyo niravadika phalaha, and then comma after that. Parijato hare tvam, comma. Kshudram, the ksha, k sound has to come. Kshudram tam Shakravati Drumam Abhilashati, but you can say Drumama Bhilashati. You can try to say it together. So Shakravati Drumama Bhilashati, comma, Vyartam Artip Brajoyam. Okay. Itham Nisheshalabhyo Niravadika Phalaha Parijato Hare Tvam Kshudram Tam Shakravati Drumama Bhilashati Vyartamarte Brajoyam.
Ittam niseshalabhyo niravadika phalaha parijato hare tvam kshudram tam shakravati druma mabhilashati vyardhamati prajoyam.
Sorry, one small, the third line, right? After Nisheshalabhyo Niravadika Phalaha, there's no pause. If you're breaking now because of breath, that's okay. But there's no comma as such there. Third
Phalaha parijato
line. After Palaha, there is a comma, not before that.
Oh, sorry. Itham nisheshalabhyo niravadika phalaha parijato hare tvam kshudram tam shakravati drumama bhilashati vyardhamarthi prajoyam. Vyardhamarthi prajoyam.
Correct.
Ittam nisheshalabhyo niravadikapalaha parijato hare tvam kshudram te shakravati drumamabhilashati vyarthamarthivyajooyam.
Kshudram tam, the last line. Kshudram tam shakra. Tam. I think te, that's a tam. Yeah.
Ittam nisheshalabhyo niravadikapalaha parijato hare tvam kshudram tam shakravati drumamabhilashati vyarthamarthivyajooyam.
Yeah, we'll just switch. We're halfway through. So I think I said Anu and I think I picked somebody, right? I forgot who it was. Prabha. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Quick question, Rajesh ji.
Chungo.
Fourth line, Kshudram tam kapro kama varuma.
It's just Kshudram tam Shakravat. It's continuous only. Yeah. Okay. Only the comma is after Bhilashati.
Thank you.
Stanza 9. Karunyat kamamanyam dhadati khalu pare swatmadastvam visheshate aishwarya dishate nye jagati parajane swatmano pishwarastvam tvai ucchairaramanti pradipada madure chetana sphita bhagyaha tvam chatma ramayeveti atula gunaganadhara shaure namaste. So shaure is referring to is a name for Krishna, another word for Krishna. Namaste. So I salutations to that Krishna. And there previously he was comparing Krishna or Guruvayurappan to the Kalpavriksha tree. So now he is comparing him to other gods, right? So I think the obvious thing is, like we said earlier, Brahman doesn't have any form, right? We can imagine it to be in Shiva's form or any form, it's our choice. So this is not to say one god is greater, one god is lesser or anything. All he's saying is when you go like the Kalpavriksha tree, when you go and pray to a god like Shiva, like he's called Ashutoshi, right? So you can be quickly pleased. So you go and say, and you'll see later on, right? People go and do penance and then they get what they want immediately. So he says all these gods, and Brahma gives a lot of boons too. So they give you what you want. But what you do is you give yourself to you. Swatmano, you are giving yourself. That's the one thing you offer Krishna, which is different, is you provide that union with yourself, right? So because of which he says you are actually very unique compared to everybody else. Second thing he says is while the other folks, other people who you pray can rule over the entire world, because you are the Brahman who is in everybody's soul. You are the soul of everybody. You are the only one who has command over everybody else. So while others may have command over the world, they may not have command over themselves. You are the only one who can have command over everybody because you are the soul in everybody else. So because of which, like I'm praying to you, he says here. So Karunyat kamamanyam, kamam anyam or kamamanyam, you can say it together. Dadati khalu pare, and then comma, swatmadastvam visheshat, so it at the end of that line, visheshat, comma. Next line, if you have daishwarya, remove the da and put aishwarya. So aishwarya dishate anye, so you can say that together. Aishwarya dishate anye jagati parajane, comma, swatmano pishwarastvam. So I think then I don't know if how many of you are following Sanskrit, right? So anytime there is a or a o which is coming, and then there is a that comes later on, they put like a s symbol right next to it, and this is there in Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama, everything, right? So but you don't necessarily say swatmano apishwarastvam, although that's the word is apishwarastvam in this case. When you say it together with that a or o which comes previously, so it becomes swatmano pishwarastvam, right? You kind of say it together, but that a is there, right? It's kind of like a half a or something like that, right? But you kind of say the whole thing together, but the word is apishwarastam only there. So karunyat kamamanyam dadati khalu pare swatmadastvam visheshate aishwarya dishate nye jagati parajane swatmano pishwarastvam.
कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददतु खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यातीशते अन्ये जगति परजने स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वं.
Sorry, one second. Dadati, and the first line, dadati. I think you said some other, yeah, I think you said dadatu or something like that, dadati. Adhe mari in the second line, Aishwarya dishatenye. So that is also that A and A, that S symbol is there. So you kind of can say it together. You don't have to necessarily break it as Aishwarya dishate anye. You don't have to quite say that, but it's okay if you say that too. But you can say it together if you can.
कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यातीशते अन्ये जगति परजने स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वं. திருப்பி சொல்லட்டுமா?
Yeah, no, it's okay, you got it.
कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने स्वात्मनेऽपीश्वरस्त्वं. स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वं. कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्याधीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वं.
Tvai uchchairaramanti. The half ya and then a u is coming. So tvai uchchairaramanti pratipada madhure, comma, chetanaha is there. Put a is to join. Chetanas spita bhagyaha. So put a visarga at the end of that line and the comma. Spita bhagyaha. Put a visarga, comma. Next line, if you have a is, you can remove that is out. So tvam chatmarama eveti. So the tya that you have there, evetya, you remove the tya, put a ti, eveti, and put a comma. So the next word starts with a atula guna ghanadhara shaure namaste. Okay, anybody has any questions on that? So that generally when the tya is coming, we break it. Otherwise, you can say the whole line together, but then you won't be able to say it. So that's why we kind of break it at the relevant point there.
Can you just say the first word, please?
Tvai uchchairaramanti. So it's a half ya, full ya, half ich, full cha. त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणघनाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
And on the eveti, there's a pause, okay?
Sorry.
And the last line, la tvam chatma rama eveti. There's a pause, the comma at the eveti, so there's a pause there.
त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनाः स्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
But third line, la, the comma is after pradipada madhure. Adukapram comma. I think because you paused after Uchchairaramanti, you ended up taking a break after Chetanaha. That's right.
Okay.
Okay, and then because Chetanas is, you have to put the is there to remove that visarga. Okay. Chetanas. Spita bhagya.
Spita. Okay. Chetana spita bhagya. Tvayucchairaramanti pratipadamedhure chetana spita bhagyaha tvam chatma rama eveti atula gunaganadhara shaure namaste.
Last answer. Aishwaryam Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam Vishwate Joharanam Tejas Samhari Viryam Vimalam Api Yasho Nispruhaischopagitam Angha Sangha Sadha Shri Rakila Vidasi Nakwapite Sanghavarta Tadvatagharavasin Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukya Shrayosi. So this is one of the very unique chapters where at the very end, Bhattacharya does not ask for, please eradicate my ailments. And you'll see that in every other chapter, maybe because this is the first chapter, he didn't want to, maybe startingly, he didn't want to go and, ask something for him, right? So when he's praising the Lord and he's talking about how great the Lord is, he didn't want to appear like small and say, please give me something, right? So in this case, he doesn't go and explicitly ask for anything in this chapter, but he says, so the word Bhagavan, right, means the root word is bhag, so that means you have to have certain 6 characteristics, right? So the 2 criteria for having the word Bhagavan is you need to have 6 characteristics, and then you should not have any other bad characteristics, right? There's an and as well, right? So because sometimes you may have some characteristics, but you may have some bad characteristics. So that is a definition. So he says, you, when compared to everybody else, you have the most Aishwaryam. You have the most Aishwaryam compared to everybody else. Vishwate Joharanam. You have the control over the whole world, right? You are the powerful in that. And Yashaha, your fame is Vimalam. Like we said, Malam means impure, Vimalam means pure. So your fame is so pure that even the sages who do not have any desires, the sages who have given up everything, even they like your fame, right? That's how pure your fame is. Everybody likes that. And then he says how Lakshmi Devi is, resides in your chest and everything. And then he says you are present everywhere, right? Akila Vidasi, you are there all over the place. You're present in every place, and you know everything. You know everything as well. And then there is no attachment. I think we saw that earlier as well. So he says because of this, he says the word Bhagavan is only applicable to you. And when he says you here, he's referring to Krishna, right? Because, and that's what in Bhagavatam it says Krishnasya Bhagavan Swayam. So there is the word Bhagavan itself means Krishna. There is no other Lord you call Bhagavan, right? Bhagavan, it's Krishna. For all the other lords have other names, and that Bhagavan has certain attributes which only you have. Bhattacharya is finishing up the first chapter, first the second. So Aishwaryam Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam, and then comma, Vishwa Tejoharanam, comma, Tejas Samhari Viryam, comma, Vimalamapi Yasho Nisprihaish Chopagitam. Nisprihaish Chopagitam. Aishwaryam Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam Vishwatejoharanam Tejas Samhari Viryam Vimalamapi Yasho Nisprihaish Chopagitam.
ऐश्वर्यं शङ्करादीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजस्संहारि वीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम् ऐश्वर्यं शङ्करादीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजस्संहारि वीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम्
ऐश्वर्यं शङ्कराधीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजस्संहारि वीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निष्प्रैश्चोपगीतम्.
Pause is after after Viryam there is a comma, okay? Tejas Samhari Viryam Vimalamapi Yasho Nisprihaish
निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम्. ऐश्वर्यां शङ्कराधीश्वर विनयमनं विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजस्संहारि वीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम्.
Anga Sangha Sadha Shrir Akhila Vidasi, or you can say Shrir Akhila Vidasi together. Shrir Akhila Vidasi, comma, na Kwapi Te Sangavarta, comma, Tad Vatagara Vasin, comma, Murahara Bhagavat Chabda Mukhya Ashrayosi. I think that word you can't quite break it. Mukhya Ashraya, it's coming, so you can't break it. So Bhagavat Chabda Mukhya Ashrayosi. So Bhaga, it's the actual root word is Bhagavat Shabda Mukhya Ashrayosi, but the it and the sha becomes the ich and the cha when it comes together. So that's why it's Bhagavat Chabda Mukhya Ashrayosi at the end there. Anga Sangha Sadha Shri Rakhila Vidasi Na Kwapite Sangavarta Tadvatagara Vasin Murahara Bhagavat Chabda Mukhya Ashrayosi.
Anga Sangha Sada Shri Rakhila Vidasi Na Kwapite Sangavarta Tadvatagara Vasin Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukhya Ashrayosi. Anga Sangha Sada Shri Akhila Vidasi Na Kwapite Sangavarta Tadvatagara Vasin Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukhya Ashrayosi.
Anga Sangasa Shrira Akhila Vidasi.
Shrir Akhila Vidasi. If you want to break it, Shrir Akhila Vidasi.
Anga Sangha Sada Shrir Akhila Vidasi Nakwapi Te Sangavarta Tadvatagara Murahara Bhagavat Chabda Mukhya Ashrayosi.
So small correction. On the very end, right, the last letter is Shrayosi, not Shrayosi. And the tune lamandi will end up stretching it, so just be conscious. At the very end, it's just a start Shrayosi.
Anga Sangha Sada Shri Rakhila Vidasi Nakwapi Te Sangavarta Tadvatagara Vasin Murahara Bhagavat Chabda Mukhya Ashrayosi.
After Shri Akhila Vidasi, there is a comma. After Tadvatagara Vasin, there is a comma there. Okay, so those are the places where you pause. Okay. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. successfully completed the first Prasakam. I think that was the rest. Now 12th will feel like a breeze when you go there. So we'll shift over to the 12th. So there are 3 tunes which are there, right? In this whole 100 chapters, there are only 3 tunes, except for chapter 69, which is Rasa Krida Varnam, which has its own tune. So other than that, there are only 3 tunes. Okay. So what we did in the first chapter is when the long 4-liners come, that is the standard tune which we just did. Then 12 is going to be 1 tune. And then there is going to be another tune which will come as we go through the other chapters, right? So it's not too complicated. You'll eventually get used to it. So if any of you tune is not coming, don't worry about it, right? You'll eventually get used to it. So before we go to 12, just a quick background of what's happening in 11, because we are not going to cover that, right? So in Vaikuntham, there are 2 Dwarapalakas, Jaya, Vijaya. So one day the 4 sages, Sanaka, Sanandha, Sanatana, and Sanat Kumara, who are Manasika Putras of Brahma, come to visit Vishnu in Vaikuntham. So at that time, these 2 Dwarapalakas say you cannot go in right now and all that. So these 4 sages end up cursing them, saying that because who are you to stop me from going? And because of this, you are going to go 1 level down. So you are going to be out of Vaikuntham and you're going to be born, in earth. So when that happens, then these people feel very, they feel bad about it. And then they pray, and then Narayana comes out, and then they come and tell, what, even though he says, I can't take the curse back. Whatever the sages have done is done. But you will attain me through, Samrambha Yogena. So in this case, that's what the word yoga doesn't mean they have to go to stretches, right? Yoga is, the root word is yuj. Yuj means to union with God. So there are Ashtanga Yoga, which is there in the 4th chapter. So they're saying Samrambha Yogena is a form of union of God where you are thinking about the God all the time, but in a hatred way. So they say you're going to get 3 births, and then you're going to come after those 3 births. Eventually, you're going to come and merge into me. So the 3 births are, one is Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, then is Ravana, Kumbhakarna, right? Ravana, Kumbhakarna is Rama Avatar, which happens in the Treta Yuga, and then Shishupala, Dantavakra, which happens in Dwapara Yugam, which Krishna then gets rid of, right? And then this is Satya Yugam, Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu. Those are, they're born as those. So in each of the Yugams, they take the two of them are born as brothers, and eventually they get eliminated, right? So that's what they give that curse, and then so that goes away. And then later on, what happens is sage Kashyapa has 2 wives. He has got Diti and Aditi. So for Kashyapa and Aditi, all the gods are all born. So Diti wanted a child, and so Kashyapa then tells them, and then she goes and asks him at the time of sunset that she wants to have children. So Kashyapa says that's a time for prayers, but somehow she forces him, and because of which the 2 asuras are born to Diti. So those 2 asuras are Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu, right? So then what happens in 11 is this Hiranyaksha, who becomes very powerful, he then goes around and he goes and keeps destroying everybody, but then he doesn't have an equal person to fight with. So he then goes and asks, who can I fight with? So then the Narada or somebody tells the only person you can fight with and win is Narayana. So go look for him. So he goes, he cannot find Narayana. So what he does is he goes and puts the earth in the water. That's what it says. Now, physically put the earth in the water. Earth is also filled with water. So this, in this case, you have to think of the 14 worlds, and it will come later in this chapter as to where the earth gets submerged. So we'll cover it when that comes. But right now the earth is submerged somewhere, right? So that's what happens in 11. And from that, the 12th chapter starts. So stanza 1. Swayam bhuvo manuratho janasargashino drishtva mahima samaye salile nimagnam srashtarama sharanam bhavadangriseva tushtashyam munijanai sahasatyaloke. So this Manu, so first, at the very beginning, from the Nabhi of Narayana comes Brahma, and from Brahma, everybody else comes, including the 11 Rudras. They all come from Brahma. So now Brahma, he's sourced with the task of creation, but he ends up outsourcing it. So what he does is the entire age, he divides it into 14 Manus, right? And so one of each of the Manu, so there's a long calculation which we'll cover in one of the future chapters. But one of the Manu is Swayambhu Manu. So Swayambhu means one who is born on its own, which is Brahma, because Brahma came from the lotus Nabi. So he's Swayambhu, he's born on his own. So that Brahma son is Swayambhuva Manu. So Swa, you have to put an extra A there. Like Vasudeva, Vasudeva, right? Like that Swayambhuva Manu. So this Swayambhuva Manu is right now the ruler. So when he is busy in Janasar, he is busy in the creation of the world. So at that time, he sees Mahim. Mahim is the earth. Asamaye. So there are certain times where the pralaya happens, right? Once after the 4 Chaturyugas gets over, there's one, and then after the end of Brahma's life. So, but that's not, it's not time for the pralaya. It's not the time yet. So asamaye, when it is not expected, he sees that the earth is actually nimagna. It is actually submerged. So when he sees that, then what he does is he goes to his boss. So he goes to Brahma there and says that, I don't know what is happening. This earth is suddenly submerged. And so I am coming and surrendering to you. Srashtaramapa Sharanam. He goes and does surrenders to Brahma. And what is Brahma doing? Brahma has outsourced this work to Manu. But what Brahma is doing is Bhavadangri Seva. He's only worshipping your feet, right? So Brahma is busy meditating on your feet. So Bhavadangri Seva means worshipping your feet in this case. So he's worshipping Narayana, but for Bhattatripat, like I said, Guru Ayappa and Narayana are all the same thing. So he then goes and tells them, he goes to Brahma, but he doesn't go alone. He goes along with Muni Jane, he goes along with all the sages to Satyaloka where Brahma is sitting. So that's what is happening in stanza 1. So Swayam Bhuvo Manuratho Jana Sarga Shilo, comma, Drishtva Mahima Samaye, Mahim Asamaye, Salile Nimagnam. So in the problem with this is if I split it into two lines, you will not get the tune for the 3rd and the 4th line. Okay. So this we'll try doing it as 4, but if you're finding it hard, we can do two lines. Okay. That's not a problem. But generally you'll find it hard if I separate it. Srashtaramapa Sharanam, and then put a comma after that. Bhavadangri Seva Tushtashayam. So put a plus after Bhavadangri Seva, and after Tushtashayam, put a comma. Muni Janaihi is there, put a is. Muni Janais Saha Satyaloke. Swayam Bhuvo Manuratho Janasargashilo Drishtva Mahima Samaye Salile Nimagnam Srashtaramapa Sharanam Bhavadangri Seva Tushtasayam Munijanai Saha Satyaloke.
Swayam Bhuvo Manuratho Janasargashilo Drishtva Mahima Samaye Salile Nimagnam Srishtaramapa Sharanam Bhavadangri Seva Tushtasayam. Can you repeat?
Muni Janais. Muni Janais.
The tune I
Oh,
lost.
sorry. So first on the 3rd line, Srashtaram, not Srishta. Sra.
Oh, Srashta.
Yeah. So Srashtaramapa Sharanam Bhavadangri Seva Tushtasayam Munijanai Saha Satyaloke.
Srashtaramapa Sharanam Bhavadangri Seva Tushtasayam Munijanai Saha Satyaloke. I don't feel, I'll try.
That's
again.
okay, Paran. Don't worry about your tune. Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah.
Swayam Bhuvo Manuratho Janasargashilo Drishtva Mahima Samaye Salile Nimagnam Srishtaramapa Sharanam Bhavadangri Seva Tushtasayam Munijanai Saha Satyaloke.
Again, 3rd line, you again said
I think I put this.
yeah, it's Srashtaram. Srashtaram. Yeah.
Srashtaramapa Sharanam Bhavadangri Seva Tushtasayam Munijanai Saha Satyaloke.
Just take care of the comma after Sharanam and Tushtasayam, okay? And the pause and the yeah. Go ahead.
Tune markoche. First line, please.
Swayam Bhuvo Manuratho.
Swayam Bhuvo Manuratho Janasargashilo Dushtva Mahima Asamaye Salile Nimagnam Srashtaramapa Sharanam Bhavadangri Seva Tushtasayam Munijanai Saha Satyaloke. 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 Srashta मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलो दुष्टा वा
दृष्ट्वा
दृष्ट्वा महीम असमये सलिले निमग्नां स्रष्टामपाशरणं भव
स्रष्टारम्
स्रष्टारमाप together we have to say, right?
Yeah,
स्रष्टारमाप शरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
Answer 2. कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यव निर्निमग्नां स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पय तत् प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयं भूः अम्भोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत. So now
quick question. First shlokamla வந்துட்டு second line nimagnaamக்கு அப்புறம் கமா வருமா?
Nimagnam is the end of that line, right?
Okay, so okay.
So anyway, there is a stop there. Yeah. Okay. So Swayambhuva Manu is coming and telling. So while I was busy, right, in the creation of this thing, right, the Nimagna, Mayava Nirnimagna, the earth is now submerged somewhere. So he's going and telling Brahma that the earth is somewhere submerged, so you have to then help us. So and then is Saroja Bhava. Saroja is lotus. So Bhava is one who has come. So one who has come out of lotus. So Brahma in this case, he tells Brahma, so you have to then help out all the human beings because you are ultimately the father or the source of everything. So you have to help out all these beings because they have no other place to go. So when he then comes and tells Brahma this, right, when he Manuna Swayambhuhu, Swayambhu also refers to Brahma, like we said. So when he's doing it, so Vyachinti, so Brahma is now has to contemplate, right? So anything that Brahma, when Brahma first comes out, right? So Brahma, every night of Brahma, there is a pralayam that happens, and then Brahma comes up. And when he comes up, he does nothing. There's nothing there, right? So he then again has to contemplate on the Lord. And similarly, any problem he has, that's what he does. So he's now contemplating on Tava Pada Yugam, on your feet, right? That's where Brahma is now contemplating. And then Amboru Haksha, oh lotus-eyed Lord, he's focusing on your feet, contemplating on what do I do now, right? That's what Brahma is thinking. So kashtam. So he says people are struggling. So kashtam prajaha is there. Put is prajas srijati mayava nir nimagna. If you want to break it, mayava nir nimagna, comma sthanam saroja bhava kalpaya tat prajanam ityevamesha katito Manuna Swayambhuhu. Put a visarga at the end of that line and the comma Swayambhuhu, comma. Next line Ramboru is there, mix it a. Amboru Haksha. Amboru Haksha Tava Padayugam Vyachintit. Kashtam praja srijati mayava nirnimagna sthanam saroja bhava kalpaya tat prajanam ityevamesha khatito manuna swayam bhuhu ambhoruhaksha tava pada yugam vyachintit.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पयत् तत् प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत्. कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पयत् तत् प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत्.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भवकल्पै तत्प्रजा
kalpaya tat prajana.
स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पय तत्प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत् कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पय तत्प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत्.
Do one more stanza and we'll stop today. Ha ha bibho jalamaham nyapibham purastat adhyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi itham twadangri yugalam sharanam yatosya nasa putat samabhava shishukola rupi. So he says, oh Vibho, oh Lord, so jalam aham, I have drunk the waters, right? And what he means by that is, when he has come before and he's seen these waters everywhere, when Brahma, like you said earlier, right? When he comes out of the lotus, he just sees water everywhere, right? At the time, all he had was just air and water. That's all existed. So he says, I have seen all this water before. However, this is not the time for this water to be like this, to be water everywhere. This is not the appropriate time. So kimaham karomi, what do I do at this time? So Brahma is contemplating. So at this point, Tvad Angri Yugalam, the one who is when he's meditating on your feet, Sharanam, one who's meditating, Yatosya, from that person's Nasa Putat, Nasa means nose, Nasam. So from his nostrils comes out Shishukola Rupi. Shishu means child, Kola means bear or a boar, B-O-A-R, boar. So Shishu Kola means a small boar, which is like a baby boar. Rupi, form. Who comes, right? So here the Bhattacharya is saying, you emerged, right? So Sama Bhava. Bhava means you, referring to you, this person who you're talking to. Bhavan means person who you're talking to. So he doesn't say Narayana is coming in the form of a small boar out of Brahma's nose. He says, you, Guruvayurappa, are coming out of Brahma's nose in the form of a small boar, right? That's what. So this is the actual Varaha avataram that is actually happening here. So ha ha bibho jalamaham nyapibham purastat, put it at the end of that line and a comma, purastat. Next line, dadyapi is there, so make it adyapi. Adyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi. Ittam twadangri yugalam sharanam yatosya, and then put a plus, because yatosya, from that person who is meditating on your feet, nasa putat, from that person's nose. So that's why you're going to join the two lines. So yatosya plus nasa putat samabhavaha is there, put a ish, samabhavash shishu kola rupi. So the third and the fourth line, you try to say it together as much as possible. Ha ha vibho jalamaham nyapibham purastat adhyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi itham twadangri yugalam sharanam yatosya nasa putat samabhava shishukol rupi.
Ha 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 vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastat tadyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi ittam twadangri yugalam sharanam yatosya nasa putat samabhava shishukola rupi.
Anu, and the second line, and the purastat we saying, right, in the first line end. So second line becomes adyapi, not dadyapi. The da becomes a, it and a. So adyapi.
Ha ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastat adyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi ittam twadangri yugalam sharanam yatosya nasa putat samabhava shishukola rupi.
Ha ha vibho jalamaham nyapibham purastat adhyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi इत्यं त्वदङ्घ्रि युगलं शरणं ततोऽस्य नासा पुटात् ततोऽस्य
yatos sharanam yatosya, not tatos.
यतोऽस्य
Yeah.
sorry यतोऽस्य नासा पुटात् समभषति
Samabhavash.
समभवशिशुकोलरूपी हा हा विभो जलमहं न्यपिभं पुरस्तात्
Yeah, I mean, tune for the tune. I think if you want to say ha ha vibho jalamaham nyapibham purastat, just for the purpose of tune, if you want to, yeah.
हा हा विभो जलमहं न्यपिबं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि इत्यं त्वदङ्घ्रि युगलं शरणं यतोऽस्यानासा पुट्टात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी.
And the third line, itham, not ityam, tha.
Itham.
And then the last line, samabhavaha is coming, right? So you have to put a ish. Samabhavash shishukolaru. Okay.
Samabhavash shishukolarupi.
We'll stop the class here. Om sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattavat bhati sakshat gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam काहेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.